What's going on? My name's Vincent. I'm back with another video. Today I'm going to be grinding the handles to the boat. Or you can see that I already did that side, but I'm going to do that all the way around on both handles because I'm not going to buy new ones because these are just still useful. So I'm just going to grind these down and use these. So let me get started and do a time lapse of me grinding these down. So I just finished. Here's what it looks like after all that. There is a little bit of paint still in there, but it don't have to be perfect because I'm repainting it. So yeah, that's one handle. I'm not going to show you the rest. I'm going to show you what I'm doing outside after I'm done with the next handle because you already see me do this one and there's no point of showing you twice. So let me get back to finishing the other handle and actually show you the comparison of each. So let me turn the camera around. So that's the difference. You can see this one's shiny, this one's nasty. This boat is so old. The last time it was registered was 97. That's what it says on the tags. But you can see the difference in the color. So, like the back, look at that. It's nasty. It's never been taken off. It's never been dealt with. And I'm going to show you what the wood looks like that was on the back because these are the back handles. So let me get back to finishing this one and I'll go show you outside. So I just finished. Here's my handles. They're all nice and shiny. I mean, it's not perfect, but, you know, gotta get it done. So now I'm going to show you what the boat looks like, because I just stripped the wood and took some pieces of metal off from the back for the motor. So let me flip the camera around and show you it. So here's the wood. This thing's the first wood that's ever been on here. You can see it's just falling apart and everywhere. So I ripped this off, and that's what it looks like. It's just falling apart. But now I gotta clean this mess up. So there's the wood, there's the second wood, and then here's the metal piece I took off. Sorry, it's hot and sunny outside. But there's the metal. I'm gonna clean that up later, and then I'm gonna put that back on the boat as soon as I get a 2x6, because I believe this is a 2x6 right here that I put on. And yeah, here's where it was, right here. So all that, and yeah, it's dirty now, but yeah. So here's the boat, and it's like 100 degrees out, so I'm gonna go back inside, eat lunch, and I'll see you guys next time because this is the end of this video, and I'll catch you later. Peace.